Hello guys, good afternoon. This is or good evening. This is another video tutorial where I will show you how to create a website with WordPress and wphosting.com. In order to create this website, you will need WordPress and WP hosting. But I will walk you through step by step how to achieve the exact thing that you can see here. English is not my first language, so I apologize in advance if there is something that you might not understand or it's my accent. But anything, just please ask in the comments. Any questions you have, please ask in the comments, and I'll be very happy to help you. Why not? So easy. So basically, I have created the website under this domain name, but in your case, it's going to be a different domain name. And so this is a beauty treatments and WooCommerce website. So basically, it's an e-commerce website where you can sell products. As you can see, we have a banner here with a nice menu, search field, the logo. The further you go down, you will see we have the shop with arrows. Click on it and it's going to show you more products. Then you're going to get down here, you'll have this banner like a call to action that is called in is named in and by the way, I apologize if you hear some noises. I have two little dogs and sometimes they do noise. They make a noise. Then you have this, the call to action that we use a lot in the web design. Best-selling products section, a section where you can showcase all the best products that has been sold in the last time, as well as this beautiful banner here, where most likely what this is, it's an Instagram. It showcases the latest posts from Instagram. If you connect your Instagram with this on your website, it's very easy. You'll end up with this banner. However, in case you don't know how to connect any of this with your website, very simple. You go here, wphosting.com, and you can open a live chat. Okay, so then once you go through this website, WP Hosting, which is a web hosting platform in the United Kingdom, specifically designed, created for WordPress users, people that like WordPress as a software. And so they have a nice team of WordPress developers that turned their entire career from WordPress development to WordPress maintenance and web hosting for WordPress sites. So very easy to understand that these people, they know what they're doing when it comes to WordPress. So you simply open a live chat. In my case, it doesn't show up. That's because I have a VPN, but most likely you won't have a VPN. And then you will see a live chat here on the left hand side. And in real time, while you're watching this tutorial, you can open live chats with them and ask them to help you if you're stuck somewhere. That will be the quickest way they can help you. Or another way is to simply comment and ask me in the video. Just comment in the video and ask me, and I'm more than happy to help you. So the reason I'm mentioning this website is that you won't be able to create this website if you don't go through this website by purchasing a web hosting plan at least. And that is because they use a team specifically for this. Okay, further ado, let's continue. And this is the footer that is gonna repeat on each page of the website. Then you'll have the About Us page, nice page with all this information. The shop page where you have a search box and all this information like any e-commerce website has. Okay, you have the cart, return to shop, and so on. All right, let's continue. Let me show you how to do it, how to create this website. And by the way, before I start, you might wonder, you might ask yourself, okay, but what about customization? Obviously, you want to change probably this image to something that you want, the color palettes. Maybe you want to change the products, obviously, because I won't cover all this in this video. I just show you how to install this theme to create a quick website for e-commerce to sell your products and all your services. In order to get help with this, and this is why I'm referring to this company again, is one of the only companies I know, I haven't found any other, that actually they created video tutorial for you. So basically, once you buy a web hosting plan with them, they're gonna help you by creating video tutorials, and someone is gonna explain you how to do things. Say you want to change this image, you want to change these products. They won't do it for you, they just show you. They create a video tutorial custom for your website, and they're gonna show you. They say, okay, you have to do this way, this way, this way. This is one of their quickest way to answer to the tickets. Otherwise, obviously, they do it the old way, which is texting back, like replying to your ticket once you opened, like any other web hosting company, and explaining you that way. But more likely, they're gonna create a video when you ask them to do it, and tell them, listen, I don't know how to change, to add products, to customize them, or to do anything with the products. How do I change this image? How do I change the text on this button? Anything you ask them, literally, they can help you by creating a video tutorial and showing you how to change things here. And this is only by signing up with them. So this is why I'm referring to this being the first step you go through. Otherwise, not only you won't be able to create this theme, but you also won't be able to get the help you need. Because basically, if you go to open a live chat with them or open a ticket after you buy the web hosting plan, which obviously you're going to have a client account, you will ask, but they will refer you back to tell you that, oh, sorry, but you don't have a hosting plan with us, which means you're not a client with us. Therefore, unfortunately, we can't help you. That's what they're going to tell you. So that's why it's very important to not miss this step, which is buying a hosting plan. And how to do that? Very easy. We go here, WordPress hosting. Once you've done that, you can buy a web hosting plan. And the one you need to buy is this one here, because one-click WordPress install, they have this hosting plan for, how can I say, by buying the web hosting plan, you literally have your WordPress installed already with that theme and with that plugin ready for you to follow the next steps, which I will show you. So therefore, it's very important to buy any of these hosting plans that you choose from here under this section where it says one-click WordPress install, which is here. Of course, you can buy this. You don't need to buy a expensive hosting plan. You can purchase this one, $13.95 per month. Choose plan. Once you get here, it's going to ask you if you want to register a new domain. So if you haven't purchased a new domain from somewhere else, with someone else, then you will have to buy one here, which means you type in the name of your website, you choose the domain name, you choose the extension, which is .com, or if you want to transfer a domain that you have purchased somewhere else and have them under the same account, which I personally would recommend you to do that, to save stress later by having different services on different websites, and it's gonna give you more hard time to manage all those. But in my case, I will choose this one because I have already a domain that I purchased with this company, WP Hosty. So I will type in here this one. I'll choose this extension. I'm gonna say use. It's gonna send me here, and it's gonna ask me, what do you want to pay per month, which is $14.95, or per year, which is $13.95 per month, divided by 12 months, obviously. I will suggest you to buy this hosting plan because once you've done this, not only you get a free domain. So when you get a free domain means you don't pay for the first year of that domain. You only pay for the web hosting plan for the entire year, which is this one. And each year after is gonna charge you this price to keep the website up and for them to help you with all those other services like ticketing service and many other things. The live chat and SSL certificate and so on. And obviously the video tutorial, which I explained you earlier. So not only you pay cheaper, you see, here it's $14.95, but here is $13.95, which means you save like £12, I think, per year, or a bit more if I'm not mistaken. So in my case, you can disregard this. In my case, I will choose for the entire year and then click continue. Once I've done that, in my case, I will enter a coupon code here because I don't want to pay this amount of money. So they gave me this coupon code, which is 100% commission discount. Sorry, discount, yeah. So I will pause to get the coupon code and I'll get back shortly. All right, so in my case, as I said, I will enter this coupon code, which I will get the full discount of 100%, which means that I pay £0. For some reasons, it seems that the shopping cart disappeared, which is very weird. Continue. Yeah. So what I will do, I will get back. This is very rare. But yeah, let me follow the process again. Probably is because I'm filming this and some things happens. Choose plan. I said I decided to use this domain. And I decided to get for the entire year. So I can get a free domain. Click continue. Then yeah, everything was fine already. And so as you can see, I'm not paying for the first year for the domain. And I can check out with £0. But that's in my case. In your case, it's not going to happen this. In your case, it's going to be, you will have to use a different discount coupon code. And you can use this one. $2024. You can use this coupon code for you to get a 25% discount if you purchase for the entire year. it won't apply the discount for you by using this coupon code if you do not purchase for the entire year. If you buy for 1 month, hosting is not going to apply. So you have to purchase for the entire year to get a 25% discount and a free domain name for first year. After that, it's going to charge you like £9 and something per year. Anyway, going further, you're going to enter your first name, last name, fill out, put the email address, phone number, street, and all this information here, obviously. And so in my case, I will create the account by this fictive name, gmail.com. Everything is fictive, by the way. London. In your case, you have to put I don't even know whose belongs this, but doesn't matter. You put a postcode. Depends where you are. You have to choose the country. If you are in whatever country you are, you put that country. But because I'm in United Kingdom, I put United Kingdom. So here you have to create a password by typing in your password here, or you can generate one by clicking this button. And it generated this password. You can copy it, or otherwise copy and insert it in the same time. So you copy it, then you open a notepad, and you copy it here so that you don't forget. Then you have to enter a card here, and once you enter your bank account card, you're gonna have to check this box and complete the order. So I have inserted my bank account card. Then I can go here, complete order. Let's make sure I inserted all the information I needed. Yeah, that's good. Complete order. No thanks. And I have to wait because it's loading. And here, yes, in my case, it asks me about some verification. Yep, sure, it's no problem. I click continue. I have to approve it in the app. Just a second. Just a second. Okay, I've approved it. And now it's loading. And it's creating my account. Okay. Okay, so once I have an account with them, now I can, as I said, because I paid, now, as I said, you can open tickets from here and ask them to to help you with the website in case you want to change anything on the website. So once you're here, and because you bought that web hosting plan, you will realize that at the services section here, it's pending. That's because they need to approve it. Usually it takes like 10 minutes or less to approve any new, from my experience with them, any new orders. And so give me just a second. I have to wait a little bit and I'll get back in 10 minutes. And so 10 minutes, even less than 10 minutes actually took. As you can see, as I said, now it shows from pending to active, which means your service with them is active, which means you can create your website. Then they also gave you an SSL certificate. And by the way, with this company, I don't know others, but they give you free SSL certificates forever, for as long as you host with them. If you don't host with them, obviously they will take the certificate back, which is fair enough. So by having a free SSL certificate, meaning this means you're saving like anything between £15 and £50 even. I've seen some certificates. So you're saving some money every year. Not to say that you already saved 25% from the total, from the first, because I gave you that discounted code, which is again YouTube 2024. And this will give you a 25% discount from this hosting plan, or any of those three hosting plans that you saw. From now, it's very easy. All you have to do is to open the website. In my case, is this one. And as you can see, it installed WordPress with the default theme. And now we have to change this theme with the one I was talking about. But as you can see, by purchasing this hosting plan, automatically half of the work is been done, meaning you don't have to worry about installing WordPress and knowing how to set it up and stuff like that. No, they've done that for you automatically. So if I click here, you'll see that I have access to everywhere. I can go to the cPanel, create email accounts, even create email accounts from here. Okay. So in that case, what I will do now, I will have to find out, because this is the last step, which means installing that theme on WordPress. And so in order to log in to install that theme, you have to go / this way, wp_admin, click enter. Then you're going to end up here. In order to get a username and password, you will have to go to your account, which is here. Click on your name, and it's going to show email history. Click on it. Then you will see the last email upstairs here, where you will see welcome to WordPress. If you open it, you will realize that you have an admin automatically created, which you will copy and insert here. Then you will also see the password, which is this one. Copy. You can close this one now. Insert here. Once you've done that, simply click login. So once you click in, as I said, you will be able to log into your control panel, which you can close this, by the way. We don't need this. Another thing I suggest you is to go quickly here and disable these information widgets that you don't need, but you can leave this one on because you want to know about the security of your website and its performance, all the things. Another thing I'll suggest you before we install that theme is to go here at the permalinks. Once you go to the permalinks, I'll suggest you to choose this option. post name. Then click save. Save is gonna tell you here that you saved it and all is good. And the next thing is to install the theme. And to do that, you're gonna click on themes here. Okay? Click on themes. It's gonna show up here. You're gonna end up on this page. And here you'll have to make sure that this page is selected where it says the WP hosty themes. If it shows active and if it shows this customize button, that means this theme is active because it shows active here. In instance, this, and this doesn't show active, which means they're not installed. They're not activated. So, so what you do now is, just a second. Yeah, so in order to install the theme, what you're gonna have to do is to go down here. And so once you click on this plugin where it says import, okay, you have to click on this import here where it says import. Then it's gonna send you to this page. As you can see, free WP hosting themes, and there are 100 demos free to install. As you can see, import. So in our case, we want to import this theme. Somewhere here. Yeah, this is the one that we need, beauty store. But as you can see, there are many other themes for anything really. App showcase, personal portfolio, interior design, toy shop, sports, digital agency, app showcase, wedding venue. There are literally so many, as you can see, themes that you can install for free by purchasing that hosting plan. Hair salon, as you can see, coffee restaurant, everything and anything for pretty much any scenario. Ice cream, if you have an ice cream design agency, restaurant, product presentation. You want to present a product to your clients. This is the one. Depends on what exactly the product is. Bed and breakfast, if you have a if you have like a hotel or something like that, then this is a good place to do. Web agency, wedding announcements, photography, laundry services. Even if you have a laundry service in UK, well, there you go. This is your website. Oil industry, illustration portfolio, boutique, branding agency, fashion store, law firm, skincare, sports shop. This is an agency dark, I'm not sure what it's about. Yoga, car rental, movie portfolio, translation company, cake shop. They are so many. Even dog walker, if you want to create a website to walk the dogs as a job, well, this is the one for you. Baby store, you want to sell products for babies, here is your team. Veterinarian, if it's about dogs, you want to take care of the dogs and you have a veterinary, then this is your business here. Patisserie, when it comes to bakery and sweets. Fast food, 3D modeling even, portfolio, product, photography, organic food, flower arrangements, art shop, makeup, delivery, nutritionist, school, barber, manicure, and so on. Gym, garden, design, as you can see, seafood restaurant, gym, and so on. Oops, my battery is dying. So let me charge my mobile. Sorry, my laptop. But in our case, as I said, we are searching for this theme. This is what we wanted initially. And so this is the one, yeah. So what you do, you click import. Okay. And once you click import, you have to make sure you install all these plugins. Because you have to install the plugins first before you go ahead with anything else. Just a second. I have to charge my battery. So then you click install, 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 install as well. Install. Make sure all of these plugins, they are installed and activated before you do anything else. Otherwise, it will not work. Click install. You have to wait because it's loading, as you can see. So once you see that all of them they're saying activate, means that you have to activate them. So click once again, activate, and now it's activated, as you can see. Once again here, here, here. This is your payment system, by the way. HubSpot. This is important. So they're all activated. Now you're good to go to the next step, which is clicking all, because you want to import all the content. Make sure this red dot shows here, and it's not grayed out like this. So you have to click and make sure it's red. And once that's done, you click import demo. And then it asks you if you're sure about that, and I say, of course, I'm sure. So I click yes, and as you can see, it's importing. So you don't have to work anywhere, just wait here. Probably it's going to take like max 50 seconds, even less, as you can see. In my case, it took like a couple of seconds. And voila, this is how you have your website created. Visit site. I right click and open a new window. And yeah, fair enough, we seem to have an issue somewhere, but the issue is gone when I have how do you call it, refresh the page. However, for some reasons the slideshow doesn't show up, and I wonder why. I wouldn't know why, and I will try to do something if it's possible. I will try to fix that. So basically, when this happens to you, all you have to do is to, and this is the moment when I explain now why it's important to host with this company, your website, because you can open a ticket. As you can see, I already have an issue because everything is fine apart of the slideshow. And then also I have another issue with the feeds from Instagram. But obviously this will be an issue because anyway, when you install a new domain name, of course you have to install your Instagram in order to have it working for you. So this, I wouldn't call this an issue. This is just normal. All you have to do is to open a ticket with them here, and you click open ticket. General Inquiries Department, Tech Support Department, I recommend you. Your name shows up, your email, write a subject here. You can say here, fixing my website. You copy the domain name. You put here, fix this website, please. I don't know, something like that. Just try to be polite with them anyway, but what I'm saying is just make sure that you explain them that you have used on YouTube this video tutorial. So you're basically gonna have to copy the YouTube link and send them, because they know me, and tell them, listen, this tutorial by this guy is been explained that we're gonna end up with this team, and they're gonna look at the tutorial, obviously. They know the tutorial. So, and once you do that, you tell them, please fix the banner on the homepage and the rest of it so that it shows as the initial theme presented in that tutorial here. And then here you paste the YouTube tutorial. Okay, once you've done that, simply click submit. Once you click submit, they're gonna get the ticket. So you click submit, then the ticket is being created, and then if you click here, you will see all tickets. Just open this, and here is your ticket, which is opened. They take like 30 minutes from my experience. They get back to you in 30 minutes, and they already start working on your website as soon as they see your ticket, because they know that you're coming from my side. And there you go. You're gonna have your website fixed. Because this is unfortunate, but sometimes happens, because not that the thing doesn't work, but some plugins might not function as it should with your website. And so, or otherwise, you can ask me in the comments, however it's easier for you. Or if you want a quick fix, then ask on the live chat, and if it takes them max 1, 2, 3 minutes to fix it, or 5 minutes or 10 minutes on the live chat, then they're gonna do that for you. To open the live chat, as I said, you will see a live chat here, but as I said, I have a VPN, so any live chat, generally they don't like VPNs. Okay, so that's it for today. This is how you create a website. As you can see, I have all here. Probably I should go to the menu, which is well, it's here somewhere. Yeah, the menus. And once I open the menu, then no thanks. Anyway, once I open the menu, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose this as a main menu. Manage locations. Let me see how many menus there are. Mobile main menu. Oh yeah, the main menu doesn't show up, obviously, because that slideshow has to be fixed. I'm gonna try to fix it by myself to see if I can fix it for you so that you can save time. This I can't fix because you have to give me your Instagram account, and don't give it to me. What you have to do is to install it there, to put your Instagram account. So yeah, for the sake of this video, if you have some time, let me show you how to fix that. I'm sure I can fix it. Let me look at the front page, edit page, to see where the problem comes from. Okay. So I have to edit with Elementor because Elementor has been installed, so obviously I will use that. And then it says recreate kit. Seems like your kit was deleted. Please create a new one or try restore it from bin. Recreate the kit. And then it says recreate a kit here. I click this one. It's been recreated. I click save. And let me see if this fixes the issue. Because the issue seems to be Elementor. For some reasons, this module doesn't recreate the kit automatically. And indeed, that didn't fix the issue. So let me try to edit again. Edit with Elementor. And yeah, it works. So as you can see, this shows on my side that it works. However, on the front end of the website, it's not quite the case, which is bizarre. So then in this case, we have the menu here. If I highlight this, yeah, we have the menu. So basically our problem is nothing else but just the image is missing. That's all it is. So basically there is not even a problem. As you can see, the menu, it's existing. So what I have to do to fix this, it's go here and highlight. Well, in order to highlight that, let me move this up here. In order to highlight that, I have to go somewhere here and make sure to click that button. It was already somewhere here. Yeah, the structure here. Structure, this one. So basically, by the way, in order to highlight, because as you can see, this is a block here, but I can't highlight this one because it disappears every time I go upstairs. So to fix that, we just click this button, structure, and then see where you are. Section title, column, and then section. And as you can see, now it's highlighted. And now you click on it. So you basically click section here, the first one, and you click these dots. Once you've done that, you have to search for the image, most likely in the style, and there you go, there it is. So in these cases, what you do is choose image again, and you have to go to upload it to the media library here. Click on media library and search for that image. And there it is. You click on this image, it even says H1 is just a header. H1 is the heading one actually. So you click select, and then you click save. Let me move this so that you can see. Sorry, I have to move it somewhere so that it doesn't bother us. And oh my god, this is so annoying. Alright, and then I can close this because it's already bothering me. Okay. So once you've done that, you click publish here. So I re-added the image. That's all I've done, really. Click publish. And once it's published, you will see that it works now. And there you go. Voila. So basically, fixing this by following my tutorial, you also fix this issue, meaning you save time. You don't need to open a live chat with them. I already knew what the problem is because I could guess, having many years in WordPress development and experience, and knowing already, sensing what the problem might come from. I can fix this on a go. So anyway, as I said, open a live chat with them, open a ticket, and ask them to change the menu. They won't create things for you, and they only, from what I remember, they only do change templates that you installed with them, like this one. But they will not create your website. So basically, they will change the image, they will change the text, but you have to give them the text. They don't create text for you. And by the way, actually, they do create text. I'm sorry. They create text, but it's a charge for that. So basically, they're gonna charge. I don't know. I think it's like, depends how many characters. I think it's like £40 for one page or £50 per page, and it depends how many characters anyway. But they do create content, text content. For example, you don't know what to say here. You open a ticket with them and you tell them, listen, what I want to achieve with this banner is to expose or to highlight the most important parts of my business, which is probably, if you're doing healthy skincare, then obviously you want to advertise getting rid of wrinkles, probably. I give an example. I don't know, I'm not in the business, so I don't know. Getting rid of wrinkles is, let's say, it's one of your main daily thing that you do, that you're most famous for as a spa salon. So then obviously you're gonna have to ask them to create a little text for that. Then they're gonna click on this and they create a page and they create the rest of the text. Ask them to add products for you. They're gonna add products. But again, I'm not sure. Sometimes they do, but I'm not sure how busy they are. But you can ask them to add products if you don't want to get messy with the technology. Otherwise, you can ask them to create a video tutorial to show you, like I'm showing you now, how to do all those things, like changing the products. Or you can ask me and I can create a video tutorial for you and showing you how to change these products to your real products. And anything you want on the web page, I don't mind. I can create a tutorial for you. For that, you will have to still open a live chat with them, and then either I open that ticket or you mention my name there, and then I will take over the ticket. Or you can also contact me at, let me give you my email. I think it's, yeah, this one. So Katalin at vphosty.com. This is my email. CATALIN @wphosting.com. Write me an email here and ask me what you want to change, but please make sure you get the full web hosting plan, which is for 1 year. Otherwise, I won't be enabled to do this for you unless you have a 1 year hosting plan. And as I said, specifically that one, which is called one-click install. Either of them, one of them. There are 3 in total. All right. Well, this is how you do it. I wish you a nice day. Explore and enjoy your team. And if you know how to manage these changes, do it for yourself. If not, send me an email and I'll send you a video tutorial again specifically for you on showing you how to change things. I won't be able to do it on your website. I can only send the video tutorial on showing you how to do it. But what you can do is to open a ticket with them and they will create a video tutorial as well. And on top of that, I think they will also, I'm not sure, I don't remember, but they might also do it for you. If it's not a big time job, then they do it for you. Of course, if you come with thousands of products or with many products, they will not be able to do that for you. That's a job in itself. So what you have to ask them is to create a video tutorial and they teach you how to do it. Or pay them and they manage your website. I think they have a maintenance plan for, if you go here in your, if you go to the services, sorry, let me put this here, you will see that they have a, no, not my services, order new service, and you realize that they have a WordPress hosting plan. Sorry, they have a WordPress maintenance package, which is this one. And as you can see, for £49.50 per month, they do all this. For this money, they do all this plus this. And for this money, they do all this and this. Anything that is in here, plus some customizations. All right. I wish you a nice day. Enjoy your new website. And any questions you have, ask me by email or by commenting there. It's even better if you comment. And if you have any questions about how to create a different type of website, please let me know and I'll show you how to do that either as well. Just simply ask. And when I get some time, I'll create a tutorial for you. Most of the time it's in the very same week as you open a ticket. If you comment, for example, to show you how to create a construction website or any other type of website, I can show you that in the same week. If you open it on Monday, if you send an email or something, depends how time is for me. Okay, wish you a nice day. Have a nice day and see you next time. Goodbye.